Good morning and welcome. Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Lucky me. I am coming to you today with another pour. Well, it isn't a pour, it is acrylic paint, and I'm using the Boom Gel stain to coat my canvas, but it isn't actually a pour, so it's just a fun little thing I did with sponge brushes. And I think I'll just let you enjoy what I'm about to do. So this is some pre-made up silver paint that I just made up myself with metallic silver, and I'm going to obviously coat my canvas with the silver to start off with. So I've got a base coat down basically, and yeah, I'll explain as we go along. Just bringing in some other colours now to just blend with the silver background. So again, I'm just using a tiny bit of the Boom Gel stain, which is pre-made pouring paint. So just squirting a bit of that pearlescent blue on pearlescent sapphire, I think, on there to just blend some other colours in with my grey. So the next stage is I'm going to add some colour to this now. So I'm just using this particular tray with some aluminium foil on to basically act as my colour palette to squirt the colours on that I am then going to dip my little sponges in. So here I'm showing you that I've got these, they're like Stippling sponges that you can use for all sorts of effects on your paint, on your acrylic pours or on your just acrylic work. So that, yeah, just all different sizes, and I'm going to use them just as a little effect on my canvas and dip them in those colours that I have put on that tray that you can see there. See, just push them in, you've got colour on your sponge, and then you go for it. The world is your oyster, or everything to your own imagination. Just have fun. It was a fun thing to do, another fun thing that you could do with your children or grandchildren over the holidays, I suppose. up to this stage now with it turned around for you to kind of get the gist. You can do any kind of little ditty you choose to do. It's quite fun. What I've got there is I've got some silver leaf, and while the paint is nice and wet, I've just got those tweezers, those craft tweezers, and I'm popping some of the silver leaf onto different areas just to give it a bit of bling, a bit of sparkle. Just adds just another element to it. It's definitely then mixed media because it's got a bit of everything in there. I will be getting some sparkling glitter to go in there in just areas too. Just while the paint's wet, you can push it in and it will stick to it. When the acrylic has actually dried, you can spray on some clear adhesive spray and then add whatever you like to your pour to embellish it afterwards, and then it'll all stick, and it all works out quite nicely in the end. This actually was a very sparkly piece, and it's not showing so much through this camera at the moment, but hopefully it does when I come down closer to show you. So there you go, look, I'm getting the sparkles out now. It's all good fun and enjoyable to do. So just putting the glitter in there. You've got to love a bit of glitter in your life. It's pretty enough to go in a little girl's room if you want to make something shiny, glitter. It's pretty, it's sparkling. I will put the dry effects up afterwards. Obviously where the silver leaf is, it's really sparkly, and because of those paints as well are metallic, have got the sparkle in them, so very pretty. So this would look absolutely terrific resined over. As you see, it's just something very soft, very simple, easy DIY art. So there you go. Until tomorrow, thank you so much for joining me again. There'll be another video out tomorrow, and hopefully every day that I am able. So take care, you people. Until tomorrow, bye for now. After I finished filming, I did have these little butterflies, look, that I just put a spot of glue on, and I added a few butterflies in the left-hand corner to those first few. To the painting, it's got butterflies on there just in the left-hand corner. It looks so pretty. So hopefully it's going to be for my new granddaughter's bedroom. So thank you again for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.